Hello and welcome to another video of IDT Labs Cloud Software Service, also known as SaaS. And in this video, we shall be looking at employees' preferences. Now, what is meant by employees' preferences is where an employee can change his login details, for example, password. Okay, so now you can see these are all the employees displayed here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take one of these employees. Let me, for example, take Edward Ture. I'm going to log in as Edward Ture. Okay, so I'll copy Edward Ture's email here. Okay, so I'll do is I'm logging out now. Okay, now I'm going to log in as Edward Ture. Okay, this is Edward Ture's password. The original password I was given to him when he was set up as a user. Okay, now Edward Ture is logging in. Reason being why it is taking this long is that this is the first time Edward Ture is logging in. That's how the system works. Normally, when you're logging in for the first time, it takes that long, even though it's not too long. But once you've logged in, you log in at any time. Okay. So yeah, now this is Edward Ture. Let's say Edward Ture wants to change his password. It no longer wants to be logging in with 123 as his password. So what Edward Ture should do is here where he's seeing his name, this drop down here, he clicks preferences. Okay. Now once he clicks preferences, you can see here he can click this button here which says change password. Okay, so what he's going to do is enter his old password, which was 123, and now let's say his new password is Edward 2016. Okay, he has to re-enter it here again, Edward 2016. Remember, passwords are case sensitive. Okay, so once that is done, you click the change password button. Okay, so automatically it logs you out once you've changed your password, so you have to log in again with your new password. So let's see what we did. We changed Edward Ture's password from 123 to Edward 2016. Okay, so and then we click login. Okay, so Edward Ture is logging in again, so you can see now Edward Ture has successfully changed his password from 123 to Edward 2016. So employees or users can do that at any time they wish to. Okay. Another interesting thing again about the system, the entire IDT Labs Cloud Software as a Service or SaaS is this live chat that it has. Okay, so now this is Edward Ture logging in, and let's send a message to another user. Let's say Edward Ture saying, "Hi, it's been quite a while." Okay, yeah, so how is work? Okay, so now what you're going to see, now I'm going to log out as Edward Ture and then I will log in. Okay, so Edward Ture is logging out now and I'm logging in now. Okay, so you see I've received the message which Edward sends me. As you can see, Edward says, "Hi, it's been quite a while, how is work?" So now I can reply So work is fine. So when Edward logs in, he sees my reply. So users can use the live chat to communicate while they are in the office, while they are using the system. I can send a message to you and you can send a message to me. As long as we're all logged in, we can all be online at the same time. So yeah, this is it about users preferences. So thank you for watching this video.